So the next question is integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square theta into cos power 7 theta d theta. So this is not in a regular reduction formula. So for this to be a regular one, it has to be integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power m theta into cos power n theta, for which we need to change minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 into 0 to pi by 2. How? Through the suitable properties. So we have integral 0 to minus a to a f of x dx is equals to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx if f of minus x is equals to f of x, that is even function, is equals to 0 if f of minus x is equals to minus f of x, that is odd function. So for this, let f of theta be the given function sin square theta into cos power 7 theta. F of minus theta is equals to sin square of minus theta into cos power 7 theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta whole square into cos power 7, cos minus theta is cos theta whole power 7. This is equals to sin square theta into cos power 7 theta. So therefore this is f of theta only. Therefore f of minus theta is f of theta. Therefore integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin square theta into cos power 7 theta d theta is equals to, this can be written as 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta into cos power 7 theta d theta. So we have a formula. What is the formula we have? We have if m is odd and n is even. So n is even, n is odd. So what is the n is odd? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power m theta into cos power n theta d theta is equals to how much? N minus 1. N minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. into, so into, this is 1 by m plus 1. If you want the previous term, this is 2 by m plus 3. So that is equals to 2 is as usual. So now apply this formula. N is 7 here. 7 minus 1 is 6 by m plus n. 2 plus 7, 9. Further reduction is possible or not? Yes. So 4 by 7. Further reduction possible. So this is 2 by how much? 5. And see this 2 by m plus 3 we got or not? M is 2. So 2 plus 3, 5. So into the next term will be 1 by m plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 4s are 32 by 9 7s are 63. 5s are 315. So the next question is same as what we have done the previous question. So this is not in the regular form. Let f of theta is equals to sin cube theta into cos cube theta. F of minus theta is sin cube minus theta cos cube minus theta. cos cube minus theta is cos minus theta whole cube. Cos minus theta is plus cos theta whole cube is cos cube theta into sin minus theta is minus sin theta whole cube. This is equals to minus sin cube theta. So this is minus f of theta I got. Therefore f of minus theta is f of minus f of theta we got. Therefore integral minus a to a f of x dx is equals to 0 if f of minus x equals to minus f of x. Therefore integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin cube theta into cos cube theta is equals to, simply the value of this is 0 because f of minus theta equals to minus f of theta. So this is integral 0 to a x into square root of a square minus x square. So for this I will take a suitable substitution. So here a square is there, here x square. If I take x is equals to a sin theta, then a square minus a square sin square theta. A square if you take common, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta and so on. So let x is equals to a sin theta. Then dx is equals to a sin theta derivative is cos theta d theta. Upper limit a sin theta is equals to x is a gets cancelled, therefore sin theta is equals to 1, therefore theta is equals to pi by 2. Likewise lower limit a sin theta is equals to x value is 0, a sin theta equals to 0, sin theta equals to 0 by s, therefore 0, therefore theta is equals to 0. Therefore integral 0 to a x into a square minus x square whole power 7 by 2 dx is equals to 0 to a has become 0 to pi by 2. X is a sin theta, a square minus x square is a square, x is a sin theta, x square is a square sin square theta whole power 7 by 2 into dx is a cos theta d theta. So 0 to pi by 2 a sin theta. So take a square in common, 1 minus sin square theta whole power 7 by 2 into a cos theta d theta. This is equals to 0 to pi by 2 a sin theta, a square whole power 7 by 2 square and this root will be cancelled, so a power 7 into 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta whole power 7 by 2, square and root will be cancelled, this is cos power 7 theta into again 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta whole power 7 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. I left with cos power 7 theta into a cos theta d theta. So further this is equals to 0 to pi by 2 a into a power 7 into a. So totally this is a power 9 into, so here cos power 7 theta into cos theta, cos power 8 theta into sin theta d theta. So this can be, so here since n is equals to 1, 0 to pi by 2 we have integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to, so 1 by n plus 1 if m equals to 1 because here sin theta. So m equals to 1. This is equals to a power 9 into this is 1 by n plus 1. So 1 by n is 8 plus 1 9. So answer is a power 9 by 9. Question is integral 0 to 2 x power 3 by 2 root 2 minus x. For this let x is equals to, here 2 is there. If I take this to be 2 sin square theta, 2 if I take common 1 minus sin square theta and so on, actually we will get it. So last problem, this is a square minus x square. This x I have taken it to be a sin theta. Here it's no x square. Therefore x is equals to 2 sin square theta I will take. X equals to 2 sin square theta. Then dx is equals to 2 into, this is sin theta whole square. Sin theta, if you take it as x square, sin theta whole square, sin theta is x. Because sin square theta derivative we don't have. For that sin theta, if you take x, x square derivative is 2x. So 2 sin theta into d by dx of d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta d theta. So therefore this is 4 sin theta into cos theta d theta. Now change the limits also. Upper limit 2 sin square theta is equals to 2. 2 gets cancelled. Sin square theta is 1. So sin square theta is 1. Theta is equals to pi by 2. Lower limit 2 sin square theta is equals to 0. So theta is equals to 0 degrees. Therefore integral 0 to 2 x power 3 by 2 into square root of 2 minus x dx is equals to integral 0 to 2 is 0 to pi by 2. X is 2 sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 square root of 2 minus x value is 2 sin square theta into dx value is 4 sin theta cos theta d theta. So this is equals to integral 0 to 2, this is 2 power 3 by 2 sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 square, this root gets cancelled, sin cube theta into, in this you take 2 as a common factor, so 1 minus sin square theta. So this is root 2. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta under root, so cos theta. Next 4 sin theta, 4 can be written as 2 square into sin theta cos theta d theta. So that is equals to 0 to 2, 2 power 3 by 2 into 2 square. Bases equal, exponents are added. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7. So 2 power 7 by 2 into root 2. So 2 power 1 by 2. So 2 power 7 by 2 into 2 power 1 by 2. 2 power 8 by 2. 2 power 8 by 2 is totally 2 power 4. So 0 to pi by 2. Next. Sin cube theta into sin theta. Sin cube theta into sin theta. Sin power 4 theta. Sin cube theta, sin theta, bases equal, exponents 3 plus 1 4. So sin 4 theta into cos theta is cos square theta d theta. We have integral 0 to, we have if m comma n are even, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. into the second part is m minus 1 by m minus 3 by m minus 2, etc. into, so since m is even, so 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So if you are interested in knowing the previous term of this, that is 1 by m plus 2. So this anyway we need not remember, and you substitute now. N value of n is 2. So 2 minus 1, 1 by m plus n, 4 plus 2, 6. Since the further reduction is not possible, and let us check. So m plus 2, m is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, it starts from here. This being the first term, the next is m minus 1. What is m? 4 minus 1. So 3 by 4. So further reduction by 2 is possible. So 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 we got, then pi by 2 is the final one. So 3 2s are 6. And so this is pi by, this is actually here 2 power 4 has been missed here. So this is 2 power 4 into, how much is this? 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 4 is 16, 16 2s. So answer is pi by 2. So the next question is integral 0 to 1 x power 5 1 minus x whole power 5 by 2. So here this is x. I have to take 1 sine square theta. Simply x equals to sine square theta. Here 2 is there, 2 sine square theta. If 3 minus x is there here, then 3 minus x is there, 3 sine square theta. If here 4 is there, 4 minus x is there, x is 4 sine square theta. Okay? And here 2 minus x square is there, x square is 2 sine theta. Here likewise. Okay? So now listen, solution, let x is equals to sine square theta. So dx equals to 2 sine theta. Sine theta derivative is cos theta d theta. Next, substitute, change the limits. Upper limit, sine square theta is equals to 1. So then theta is equals to 90 degrees, because sine 90 is 1. So 1 can be written as sine square 90. Sine square theta equals to sine square 90. Theta equals to 90 degrees, pi by 2. Lower limit, sine square theta equals to 0. Then theta is equals to 0 degrees. Therefore, integral 0 to 1 x power 5 1 minus x whole power 5 by 2 dx is equals to integral 0 to 1 is 0 to pi by 2 x power 5 sine square theta whole power 5 into 1 minus x is sine square theta into whole power 5 by 2 into, what is dx? 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. So this is equals to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta whole power 5 is sine power 10 theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta whole power 5 by 2. Square root gets cancelled. Cos power 5 theta into 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. So that is equals to 0 to pi by 2. This 2 is separated from the process of integration since it is a constant. So sine power 10 theta into sine theta, sine power 11 theta into cos power 5 theta into cos theta. So cos power 6 theta d theta. So here, if n is even, comma m is odd, then integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to n minus 1 by m plus n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2 etc. into 1 by m minus 1 by m minus 3 by m minus 2. Since m is odd here, etc., 2 by 3 into 1. So if you want to know the previous term of this, it will be 1 by m plus 2. Therefore, this is 2 into, see this, n is 6. 6 minus 1, 5 by m plus n, 11 plus 6, 17. So just writing the first term is important. After this, we have to reduce by 2 both on the numerator and denominator, as long as we get either 2 or 0. And if further reduction is not possible, then we have to stop it, and then the next part, m minus 1 by m, with this we have to proceed. So n is how much? 5 by 70. Okay, so you decrease it by, reduce it by 2. So this is 3 by 15, 1 by 13. Since further reduction is not possible, and this you compare with this, m plus 2, m is, yes, it is adjusted, it is okay. Now m minus 1, the second part we have to start. What is m? M is 11. So 11 minus 1, which is 9 by 11 minus 1, which is 10 by m is 11. So reduce it by 2 both on the numerator as well as denominator. 8 by 9. Further reduction is possible. 6 by 7. 4 next 4 by 5, and further reduction 2 by 3, and the next is into 1 only. So now 5 gets cancelled. Okay, and this 3 2 times, and 5 2s 10, 5 3s are 15. This 3 and this 3 gets cancelled, and that is equals to, so 2 2s are 4, 4 8s are 32, 32 2s are 64, 64 2s 128, 4s 512 by, this is 153, 153. So 0 to 4, 16 minus x square whole power 5 by 2 dx. Solution. So here x square is there. This is 16. 16 can be written as 4 square. So let x equals to 4 sin theta will take. Why? Because 4 sin theta, x square means 4 square sin square theta, 16 sin square theta. 16 minus 16 sin square theta, 16 if I take common, 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta we are getting for that purpose. So dx is equals to 4 sin theta derivative is cos theta d theta. Now substitute, because these are the limits of x, because the integrand and the differential operator is in terms of x, which is a variable of integration. This variable of integration we are trying it to change in terms of theta. Therefore we need to freshly evaluate the limits for theta also. So upper limit 4 sin theta is equals to, x value is 4, 4 gets cancelled, sin theta is 1, then theta is equals to 90 degrees or pi by 2. Next, lower limit 4 sin theta is equals to 0, then Sin theta equals to 0 by 4. So the theta equals to 0 degrees. Therefore, integral 0 to 4, 16 minus x square 5 by 2 whole power 5 by 2 dx is equals to integral 0 to 4 is 0 to pi by 2 into 16 minus x square. X is 4 sin theta. X square is 4 square sin square theta, which is 16 sin square theta whole power 5 by 2 dx is 4 cos theta d theta. This is equals to 0 to pi by 2. Take 16 as a common. So then 16 into 1 minus sin square theta is 16. If I take common, 1 minus sin square theta is cos. So is cos square theta. 16 cos square theta whole power 5 by 2 into 4 cos theta d theta. So this is equals to square root gets cancelled. So cos power 5 into cos. So 0 to pi by 2. This is cos power. Again square root gets cancelled. Cos power 5 into cos. Cos power 6 theta. Next this is 16 power 5 into 4. 16 power 5 into 4. 16 power So this is 0 to pi by 2. This is 16 power 5 by 2 into cos square whole power 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Cos power 5 theta into 4 cos theta d theta. So this is equals to 0 to pi by 2. 16 is 4 square. 16 is 4 square whole power 5 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 4 power 5 into 4. Totally 4 power 6. Okay. Into cos power 5 into cos power 1. So cos power 6 theta d theta. So we have a formula. What is the formula? We have integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx is n minus 1 by n minus 3 by n minus 2 etc. into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 where n is even. Had it been odd, same thing into 2 by 3 into 1 we are going to get. Therefore, this is equals to 4 power 6 into 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5 by n value is 6 into further reduction is possible or not? Of course, because 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 by 2. If I am getting 1 by 2, then ultimately pi by 2 we have to end up. So 4 power 6 is 4 power 6 into 5. This 3 will be cancelled in 2 times. So into 5 into pi by 4 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 4. So 4 square into this is 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 4 4 square into 2. So 4 square 4 power 6 4 power 4 times. So 4 power 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 5 into pi by 2. So 2 times 2 4 24s 80 82s 160 164s. So this is 640 pi is minus 3 to 3 9 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 into x dx. So let us take Here 9 minus x square. 9 can be written as 3 square. Then x is equals to 3 sin theta if you take, then we will be getting. Last time 16 minus x square. 16 can be written as 4 square. So x is 4 sin theta we have taken. This time 9. 9 means 3 square. So x is 3 sin theta we have to take. Let x is equals to 3 sin theta. So dx is equals to 3 sin theta derivative is cos theta d theta. So upper limit is equals to 3 sin theta is equals to x value is 3. 3 gets cancelled. Sin theta is equals to 1. Theta is equals to pi by 2. Lower limit 3 sin theta is equals to minus 3. Theta is equals to minus pi by 2. So given function is minus 3 to 3. 9 minus x square whole power 3 by 2 into x dx is equals to minus 3 to 3 has been changed as minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. 9 minus x square. So 3 sin theta whole square. So 9 sin square theta whole power 3 by 2 into x dx. X value is 3 sin theta into dx value is 3 cos theta d theta. So this question is wrongly given in the textbook. Here x is not there. So every process is correct. Therefore, since x is not there, this 3 sin theta should not be included. 3 sin theta should not be included. So then we will be getting 9 is 3 square. So 3 cube into 3. This is 3 power 4 only. And this is cos square theta whole cube. 2 gets cancelled. Cos cube theta into cos theta. Cos power 4 theta into d theta. So this is cos power 4 theta d theta. Then simply this is all not there. I am rubbing everything. So this is 3 cos theta d theta. This is 3 cos theta d theta. So this is 3 square whole power 3 by 2. 3 cube into 3 power 4. This is cos square theta whole cube. So square root gets cancelled. Cos cube theta into cos theta. Cos power 4 theta d theta. So from this onwards, let f of theta is equals to cos power 4 theta I will take, and if I substitute f of minus theta, cos power 4 of minus theta, then this is cos minus theta is even function, whole power 4 is cos power 4 theta only. So this is equals to 3 power 4 will be separated from the process of integration, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos power 4 theta d theta. So this is equals to 3 power 4 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This can be rearranged as 2 integral 0 to pi by 2, because this is an even function. Minus integral minus a to f of a, f of x dx, integral minus a to a f of x dx equals to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. So 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4 theta d theta. Since integral minus a to a f of x dx is equals to 2 integral 0 to a f of x dx. Since f of minus x is equals to f of x. So this is equals to 3 power 4 into 2 into, so cos power 4 theta. So this formula we have n minus 1. So 4 minus 1, this is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. So 3 power 4 is equals to, this is 2 gets cancelled. 3 power 4 into 3. So 3 power 5. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81, 3s are 243 into pi by 4 2s are 8. So the next question is integral 0 to 5 x cube into 25 minus x square whole power 7 by 2 dx. Solution, let x is equals to, can you predict what is to be taken for x? Here 25 minus x square, 25 can be 5 square. Here x square. So x is equals to 5 sin theta is to be taken. So let x equals to 5 sin theta. So derivative dx equals to 5 sin theta, derivative is cos theta d theta. Now change the limits also, upper limit. So 5 sin theta is equals to, x value is 5. So sin theta is 1, theta is equals to pi by 2. Lower limit. So 5 sin theta is equals to 0, then theta is equals to 0 degrees. This is equals to integral 0 to 5 x cube into 25 minus x square whole power 7 by 2 into dx. This is equals to 0 to 5 is 0 to pi by 2 into x cube is 5 sin theta whole cube into 25 minus x is 5 sin theta, x square is 5 sin theta whole square. So 5 square, 25 sin square theta whole power 7 by 2 into dx value is 5 cos theta d theta. This is equals to 0 to pi by 2. This is 5 cube into sin cube theta into, so if I take a 25 here, 1 minus sin square theta, so 25 cos square theta whole power 7 by 2 into 5 cos theta d theta. 0 to pi by 2. So 25 is 5 square. 5 square whole power 7 by 2. This is 5 power 7, 5 power 1, 5 power 8, 5 power 3. So totally 5 power 11. 0 to pi by 2 sin cube theta into cos square theta whole power 2. So square root gets cancelled. So cos power 7 into cos. So cos power 8 theta d theta. So this is equals to if n is even, if n is even, comma m is odd, then integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx is equals to n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, etc. into m minus 1 by m into, since m is odd, m minus 3 by m minus 2, etc. 2 by 3 into 1. If you are interested to know the previous of this, so it will be 1 by m plus 1. So this is equals to, already 5 power 11 we have, into, now n is 8. 8 minus 1, 7 by m plus n 3 plus 8 11 into reduce 5 by 9 further reduction gives 5 by 9 further reduction gives 3 by 7 further reduction gives 1 by 5 into, see, check with this, m plus 1, m is 2. So 1 by m plus 2 is 3 plus 2, yes, and the next term is m minus 1, m value is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. If 2 by 3 we get into 1 final answer. So 3 3 gets cancelled, 5 5 gets cancelled, 7 7 gets cancelled. So this is 2 by 11 into 9, 99 into 5 power 11.